So if you're just now joining me, then you'll know that I'm faced with a dilemma right now. That the sheet metal guys dropped off the metal for our roof right in front of the garage door. So I can't get the Audi out. I can't bring the Nissan in. It's almost 90 degrees out, and I gotta go put these airbags in. But the AC works in it, so I may just shut the doors and start the thing up. We figured out the airbag problem. So this morning, me and Dad took a nice trip back to Yurdy's in Roaring Springs, which is an hour ride. Rode our bikes. I took the airbag back after I took it all out, which is not, just slap in and out. There's a bunch of bolts, but got the airbag out. Took it up to Yurdy's, and they couldn't understand why it didn't work either. I said, well, hold on to this one. I said, I get home, and for some reason, it wasn't the bag. I'll call you guys and let you guys know. Guess what? I got home, plugged in the new bag, and my light still stayed on. So I called them up, told them, hey, that airbag's probably still good. Don't get rid of it. Anyways, I fixed the problem. At that point, first off, when I plugged that tester in, it would make my light go away, but the prongs are really long on that tester, so I thought they're going inside the connector probably further than the airbag connector is. So with that airbag, all they did was cut the wire like back here. So what I did was I took the plug that came with the one they just gave me, and I spliced it in to the wiring right here with soldered and shrink wrap connectors there. Plug this one in, and guess what? It works now. So this connector, for some reason, even though it doesn't look burnt or doesn't look like anything's wrong with it, it was making a connection when I put the tester in, but it wasn't making a connection with the airbag. So that was our issue. We got that fixed. Now it's time to slap this thing back together. Alright, so in a lot of these places where it popped the seal out, if you pull it out, like I've already went through and squished this, these have metal braces inside of here, metal clips inside of the seal, and a lot of times when these airbags blow, they blow the seal apart, so it won't clip up in as good. And you can see it right here. See how it's kind of wider in some spots? If you just grab it and push it together, it'll go back on tight again. So now when I push this up on here, I have to use a little bit of force, but it'll stay up when it goes up. I've already went back and did that with the back trim in here. I need to do it on that side over there. And this piece broke whenever the airbag deployed. Not bad, but right here where this clip goes in, it broke this right here. So I'm going to get my plastic welder out, put that back together, melt that back together so that it'll clip when I put it in, because right now it's fitting up loose because that clip doesn't want to hold. First off, this is an R title. This is a 2015 Nissan Rogue Select. It's all-wheel drive. It has a 2.5 liter four-cylinder with a CVT transmission. The car is in excellent condition. Nissan had worked, I don't have the previous history, but the radiator, the condenser, the fan shrouds and stuff are all brand new. The front bumper and headlights all look brand new. When I got it, all it needed was side curtain airbags, the front seat belt retractors on both sides, and I had to get the airbag module reset. Also, the AC compressor was locked up when I bought it. I put a brand new AC compressor on this and charged it, and the AC works perfect. The oil is clear, it's fresh, the tires are in good condition. Everything about this car is nice. I mean, this thing is in great shape, especially for being an R title. This does have a sport mode. It also has overdrive right here you can turn off. Here are your climate control. It has a nice color display for your radio. It's XM, CD, radio, and then auxiliary, which I have my phone plugged in. It's 78,390 miles on it. It gets wonderful gas mileage. As you can see, it's showing 26.8, and I've had it parked here for a little bit running. The interior is in perfect condition, minus, since the airbag's blue, you might see a few wrinkles in the headliner. This does also have a backup camera. There are no rips or tears in the seats. They're actually very clean. It's a very comfortable ride. It's nice to ride in. The steering is straight. There's no vibrations. This thing is a very nice SUV for the price. So if you're interested, hit me up on Facebook Messenger. I'll get back to you, and you can come check it out. And just like that, the Nissan's done. I had to park it down at my parents' house because the roofers are coming. I need room in my driveway, so I need to move some vehicles. And since I can't put them in the garage because they block my door, I gotta go somewhere else. But that's gonna be the end of this episode. So if you guys enjoyed this episode, hit that like button. If you think I need some Gatorade, hit that like button. If you didn't like this episode, I don't understand why you're still here. So if you haven't yet, consider subscribing. Go check out my merch on my Teespring page.
And we'll see you in the next episode on Red.